Before we start coding our classes, we need to ensure our environment is ready. Modern Arduino development can be done in several ways, but for this course, we will focus on the tools that best support our object-oriented programming structures. I highly recommend using the Arduino IDE version 2.0 or higher. It provides better code completion and navigation, which is incredibly helpful when working with multiple files and classes. You can download it from the official Arduino website for Windows, macOS, or Linux. The installation is straightforward. Once installed, make sure you have the AVR board's core updated. The Arduino AVR boards may be installed automatically when you open Arduino IDE. If you are an advanced user, you can also use Visual Studio Code with the Arduino extension, which offers even more powerful tools for managing large OOP libraries. If you see the Remove button like this, you have installed completely. If you use macOS, maybe you need to install additionally Xcode command line tools. If you have been a software developer for a long time, maybe your Mac has been installed. Here is a way to install. First you choose this board. Then you click on this Verify button here. Then you will see this one. To upload, you connect the board to the Mac. Then you click on Select Board. You will see an option like this. You choose it. Now you try to upload by clicking on this button. Throughout this course, we will be creating our own libraries. Ensure you know where your Arduino/libraries folder is located on your computer, as we will be moving our custom OOP classes there in later sections. With the hardware and software ready, it's time to see the big picture. In the next lecture, 01.05, we'll go through the project overview and I'll share tips on how to get the most out of this course.